Hi friends, I am Rajdeep Acharya. Welcome to Era of Zoology Educational Institute. In this video, I am going to talk about the zoology career option and basically the salary that you will get as a fresher. So basically, after the completion of Bachelor of Science in the field of zoology, you are eligible for government job. And basically, the government jobs are actually central level job, state level job, banking job, UPSC, ICSC job, and basically WPCS job. I mean, all the government jobs that are actually occur. So basically, you are eligible for government job, and basically the salary depend on the class. I mean, Group A, Group B, Group C, Group D. And now let's talk about IT sector job. After the completion of BSc in zoology, you are eligible for IT sector job, and basically the IT sector jobs are for life science candidate are data entry job. So basically the salary will start from 15k. Basically the salary will start from 15k because the life science candidate with BSc degree are eligible for data entry job, and the salary will increase when the experience will increase. After completion of BSc in life science or in zoology, if you complete B.Ed or D.Ed, you are eligible to apply for government or private school teacher job. You are eligible to apply in the field of government or private school teacher job. Basically, if you appear in SSC, I mean School Service Commission, or other government exam for hiring government teacher, then you are eligible with the degree of B.Ed or D.Ed. And basically the private school recruit teachers with the degree of B.Ed or D.Ed, and the salary for government school teacher start from 29k, and the salary of private school teacher start from 14k, and the salary will increase when the experience will increase. Now, after the completion of BSc in the field of zoology, you can join any private coaching academy as a teacher, and the salary will depend on how much student you will have. Basically, the approximate salary starts from 6k. The approximate salary starts from 6k, and as the number of students increase, the salary will increase. And also you can open your own teaching academy where you can teach students, and also you can join medical representative job, and the salary of medical representative starts from 11k, I mean 11,000. Okay, so this is actually the BSc level job. Now let's talk about MSc level. So basically after completion MSc in the field of zoology, you are eligible for government job, you are eligible for IT sector job, you are if you complete B.Ed or D.Ed, you are eligible for apply government or private school teacher job in private school or government school. And also you are eligible to join any private coaching academy, or you can open your own coaching academy. And also you are eligible for medical representative job, and these are actually the salary scale. Now let's talk about research associate job. After the completion of MSc, if you appear in CSIR net, ICMR net, DBT net, GATE or RET means research examination test. Research examination test. And if you qualify these exams, at least one of these exams, then you are eligible to join any university or any research institute in the post of research associate. And the salary of research associate start from at least 35k, and sometimes the salary increase more than 35k, I mean more than 35,000. Okay friend, so the salary of research associate scale starts from 35k plus, I mean to say more than 35k, I mean more than 35,000 sometime, or 35,000 minimum. Now let's talk about JRF. After the completion of MSc, and if you qualify any one of these exams, you are eligible to join any university or any research institute in the post of JRF, Junior Research Fellow, and you can continue the PhD. And basically the stipend, that time the stipend will be actually start from 31k. The stipend will start from 31k, and when the time will go, you will get more than 31k. Now let's talk about SRF, I mean to say Senior Research Fellow. So basically after the completion of MSc, if you appear any one of these exam and you qualify this exam, and after the completion of PhD, you are eligible to apply in SRF, Senior Research Fellow job, SRF, and you can continue your MPhil. And so that time you are eligible, after the completion of PhD, you are eligible for joining research institute or university in the post of SRF, Senior Research Fellow, and you can continue your MPhil, and basically that time you will get more than 35k, more than 35k, I mean to say 35,000 or more than 35,000. So now let's talk about assistant lecturer in the college. So basically after qualifying CSIR NET, ICMR NET, DBT NET, GATE or RATE, after that you have to appear in state eligibility test. If you appear and you qualify state eligibility test, you are eligible to join a university, and you are eligible to join a university in the post of assistant lecturer. If you complete JRF and if you appear in SET exam and you qualify SET exam, you are also eligible to apply in the post of assistant lecturer. Suppose you qualify CSIR NET, ICMR NET, DBT NET, GATE, RATE, and you complete the PhD, and then also you complete MPhil, I mean to say SRF, and after that you apply for SET and you qualify SET exam, and after that you can join a university or a college in the post of assistant lecturer. Basically the salary will start from 52k, I mean to say 52,000, and it will increase to sometime 90k, and according to experience it will increase to 2 lakh also. Okay, so now after completion of MSc, if you take a medical coding training, you are also eligible to join a healthcare system, a US healthcare system in the post of medical coder, and the salary will start from 22k, and to say 22,000. Suppose after the completion of MSc, you complete internship like microbiology lab internship, molecular biology internship, artificial internship, or bioinformatics training. After the completion of internship, you are eligible to join microbiology lab or hospital microbiology pathological lab, or in West Bengal Health Department. So this is actually the fundamental of the job career option in the field of zoology, and basically in this case the salary will start from 14k. So basically when you will join a hospital pathological lab or a diagnostic center, after the completion of any one of these internship, the salary that you will get is 14k, I am to say 14,000, and after that it will increase according to the experience you will get. So this is actually the zoology career option. I hope it will help you to choose your dream career, your dream job, and I hope this video will help you to reach to your dream job, that which things you have to do to reach to your dream job. Thank you so much friend for watching this lecture till this end. I hope this video will help you a lot. Subscribe this channel, like this lecture, and also share this lecture among your friends. Thank you so much.